Hello everyone. We're really excited to talk today about the basics of both manual and automation testing approaches. So let's start and dive in. In test engineering, there are two major approaches that can be performed to verify software quality and ensure that their functionalities are working correctly as expected. The main point here is that these two approaches need to be complementary to each other and work hand in hand to achieve the ultimate goal. Simply, we can't achieve the high software quality by detaching them or using only one of them. These two techniques or approaches are manual and automation testing approaches. Let's discuss their definitions, how to execute each one, and their advantages. Manual testing is a technique for checking and testing the software by humans. We call them quality or test engineers, or in some organizations, we call them quality controls. They execute test cases one by one in an individual manner, then use their technical senses to notice the result. By the way, during our courses, we'll call them quality engineers. Quality engineers use only written test cases to guide them step by step to test a specific function or feature. These test cases are considered to be the main assets in manual testing, which contain testing details, test data and guided steps, such as manually clicking on links, entering values into text boxes, and verifying the outputs. After that, we need to determine if this test case is passed and the function is working successfully, or this test case is failed and the function is not working successfully. These failed scenarios mean that we have a bug and we need to analyze, report it, then send this bug to developers to start fixing it. And now let's discuss automation testing. Automation testing is a technique to allow a software to test another software. Does it seem logical? No, don't even think about it. It is not what you think. Let me breathe and ask again. Please. And right now, can a software test another software?
Yes. In this technological world, we all know that software can do anything.
So simply, we can develop a robot or script to test our software by executing bunch of test cases and scripts in no time. Then return an accurate result if those test suites are passed or failed. I know you will ask me, why and how we're going to do this. Especially, that most of quality engineers don't like coding. So how could they write a code to test another code? Alright, let me explain it to you. The main asset in the automation testing is called test scripts. It is originally a piece of code might be written in any popular programming language such as Java, Python, Ruby, etc. In fact, writing test scripts can be complex if the quality engineer wants to write it from scratch. But most of modern automated testing tools assist quality engineers in recording test scripts then play them back. These tools can generate the code for any test script. Also, they give the quality engineer a powerful environment to maintain and debug the test scripts. So quality engineers, don't be afraid from this new technology. No need to write an advanced code. You can prepare, execute, manage and maintain the test scripts to test the application confidently. With automation testing tools, test execution can be easier and faster. Imagine that we are going to test the HR application manually. It means that we might need around 3 quality engineers. Each one of them can probably work 7 to 8 hours a day. Accordingly, we need a lot of time to finish this testing mission successfully and accurately. But if we want to use an automated tool as complementary with manual testing, it will be a great idea to speed up the testing phase. In both manual and automation techniques, the final execution result can be determined by comparing both expected and actual results. If they are matched, it means that the test case or script is passed. Otherwise, if both expected and actual results are not matched correctly, this means that the test case or script is failed and definitely, we have a bug that need to be fixed. This comparison between both expected and actual results helps the quality engineer to determine whether or not the application is working as expected. In manual testing, the quality engineers use their senses to determine this final result and their human judgment. On the other hand, in automation testing, the tool determines the final judgment for each test script, either if it's passed or failed. Manual testing is the foundation style of test engineering. Increasingly, organizations and companies are relying less on manual testing and start automating some of their test cases. Especially the most repetitive test cases and the advanced ones. Automation testing beats manual testing in several points, such as 1. Automation testing is faster. 2. Automation testing accurately executes repetitive test cases and scenarios, especially in regression testing. 3. Automation testing assists quality engineers in finding more severe bugs compared to manual testing. But automation testing is not a replacement of manual testing. It's important to know that we can't automate everything. We still need to work with our human senses to judge and give our final approval to go live with our application. At this point, we hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time with another advanced video about manual and automation testing approaches. Each one has its own fingerprint, so don't stick to only one. If you like this video, please subscribe with our channel and click on the notification bell to receive all our new videos. Also, please share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget that quality is the core of everything.